came to your church and told you that you should stay on your own and we will stay on our own. Eh? He tried to dip his finger into our eyes. Then I Ayakatemeni attack. What? Ofa. Chimo. Amukwano. Ewe. Na yo tumbe. Ewo. Neke nabia. Neke nabia. Hold on, mama. Hold on, mama. Yes. Hold on, mama. Nabia, nabia. Neke nabia. Hold on, mama.
No, I agree to and my husband.
Your husband?
My husband died.
What happened to you?
Please come and help me.
Yeah. Oh no, Mama. This is me, Otumbe. Relax. As far as Otumbe concerned, calm down. I say your problem is solved and is weak. Because I'm going to the forest to bring a strong leaf that will heal your husband. Woman, take heart. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, it's well. You must pay for it.
We must make sure we take him like that.
Bam!
He can't survive it. How can he challenge us, the elder of the community? Indeed, it can't happen.
Which is impossible can't happen. Are there many possible? Can it come out? We must be with him. We must go to Otumbe. Go with him.
We will make sure he will not survive. Whether he likes it or not,
he must not survive.
Even if he likes, let him go to Jericho.
Yeah.
Or India. We will trust him. We must get him.
But
his wife. Teach him a lesson.
wow.
Let's go to Otumbe's tribe.
Hey, you he thinks that he has all the power. That's what I say. I gave Igwe. Hey, okay, who is Igwe? We will show him. By the time we finish dealing with him.
Come here.
Ajalabuka Kabiti, that the two men escaped. We will surely deal with him.
We teach him a lesson. We thought he can just
do anyhow.
He has shown what he cannot do.
He has started to the one he cannot touch. Yes. Let's go.
He thought it was. We did not even know that Eziama is Nigeria.
Oh yeah.
We control everything in Eziama village.
Hey, you see it, man?
We know.
Okay. Who must surely do it? Hey, wait. Zero, I want to go.
Ipuneke Nabia. Nabia, Nabia. Ipuneke Nabia. Nabia,
What my fellow elder rightly said is the right thing to do.